Hello, hi everyone. My name is Dr. Sana Khan, and in this video, we are going to talk about enzymes from the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare. See, this is a chapter where you have to study a lot of organisms name, a lot of microorganism name, but it's not that difficult, I would say. If you make a complete note of it, it would be very easy for you to understand. So let's start and talk about enzymes in this video. So what are enzymes? You must have studied in detail when you must have studied biomolecules, right? So what are enzymes? Enzymes are the one which speeds up the biological process. Which speed up the what? Which speeds up the biological process. So what does the enzymes do? Can you see? It speeds up. Yes. So it speeds up the biological process. So they act as a biocatalyst. So they act as what? They act as a biocatalyst which either initiate or accelerate all biochemical process. So they are going to either initiate or they are going to increase the rate of the reaction. And what is catalyst? So catalyst is a substance which speed up the reaction but is chemically unchanged at the end of the reaction. So there is no change in the catalyst taking place. So there is no change in the enzymes after the reactions has been carried out. So it only has an ability to just accelerate, that is speed up the process which is going inside your body. So enzymes are proteins. What are enzymes? So these are proteinaceous substances of biological origin which are capable of catalyzing biochemical reactions without themselves undergoing any change. So there is no change which takes place in enzymes. They just speed up the process of the reaction and they are protein in nature. So enzyme was coined by William Kuhn in 1867. So in 1867, William Kuhn coined the term enzyme, and Buchner in 1897 found that living cells of yeast are not essentially required for alcoholic fermentation, but their extract could also do on. See, now let us understand what does it mean. See, you must have prepared breads or a pav or anything like a naan from yeast, right? So what we usually do when we have to prepare naan, we put yeast, right? Because it speed up the process, right? It undergoes fermentation process. So Buchner said that it is not necessary to put the living cell of yeast. You can, in fact, you can even put the extract of those cells and they would carry out the fermentation process. So that was something which Buchner told to us. So hardly 1 to 1.5% of total known enzymes are used in industries and medicine. So enzymes are very useful, but hardly there are certain enzymes which are now currently used in industry for various processes. So let us see what are the uses of these enzymes apart from carrying out the reactions in our body, right? You must have studied, no? There are enzymes in our stomach, there are enzymes in the pancreas, right? Those carries out the different process. Same way, they are also used in other purpose as well. So they are used in several industry sector. In textile industries, they are capable of improving the quality of fabrics. In pulp and paper industry, they are involved in biochemical pulping and bleaching. They are also useful in extraction of olive oil and carotenoids. Lipase are used in detergent industry because they have a superior cleaning property, increasing brightness and removing all stain. Okay, so the powders, like the washing powders which you use, like vanish or a neem powder, whatever the powders which we use, they have these lipase enzyme because it has a capability to clean the oil stains and increase the brightness of our clothes. It is also used in cosmetics, animal feed, and agricultural industries. Plus, obviously, we know that it is used in the fermentation process like bread, pizzas, bread base, right, which we are very fond of. The different kinds of bread, the different kinds of wine, everything is prepared with the help of these enzymes. So let us see a few examples of the enzymes. So these are the name of the enzymes, and on the right side you can see the microbial sources from which we get the enzyme. Okay, we need to remember this. It can be asked in your NEET exam. So the enzyme invertase you get from the source, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Pectinase, you can get it from Sclerotinia libertine and even Aspergillus niger. Lipase, you can get a microbial source of from Candida lipolytica. Cellulase, you get from microbial source of Trichoderma conic. Okay, so these are the various examples and the microbial sources. Few more important, very, in fact, I would say important for your NEET exams. It has already come many times in your NEET exams. So obviously there is a chance that it can come this year also. So let us talk about a streptokinase enzyme, which is also called as tissue. It's not issue, it's tissue. Tissue plasminogen activator, that is TPA. This is obtained from cultures of some hemolytic enzymes like bacteria like streptococci. So they are usually obtained from cultures of some bacteria, that's streptococci. And the uses is it has a fibrinolytic effect. It has what? It has a fibrinolytic effect, means it is used to dissolve clots in blood, especially in heart attack victims through dissolution of intravascular fibrin. So usually when there is a heart attack, there is a chance that there are a lot of clots in the blood, because of which the person might have suffered from heart attack. So these streptokinase enzyme have an ability to loosen that clots, to dissolve that clots. Then coming to the next one, that is statin. So statin is produced by the yeast Monascus purpureus, and it has been produced in commercial scale for lowering blood cholesterol. You know that cholesterol is something which is very common now, right? So statins can be used to lower the blood cholesterol level. Okay, so I would say that in the entire video, if I say the two most important things from this video, it would be the streptokinase and statins. Please do not forget it, that the streptokinase has a fibrinolytic effect and statin has an ability to lower the blood cholesterol level. Very important for your NEET exams. So that's all about the enzymes which you should know. And I'll meet you soon with the next video. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day, and I'll meet you soon.